Hungry? Yeah, same. Come with me, we're going to a real restaurant. I'll teach you exactly what to say, so you order smoothly and confidently. No awkward pauses, no stress. You'll actually enjoy the experience. From walking in to paying the bill, I'll guide you step by step. Let's start. You're about to sound natural and confident in any restaurant. All right, first, let's pick a place that's actually worth your money. You want something reasonably priced, not cheap, not ridiculously expensive. That just means the price matches the quality. Simple, fair, smart choice. Now, what kind of cuisine are you in the mood for tonight? I love local cuisine, but my friend always wants something continental. Cuisine just means style of cooking, like Italian, Turkish, or Japanese. And yeah, sometimes people say continental when they mean European-style food. For me, I always check the menu first. I'm vegetarian. That means no meat, because trust me, you don't want surprises. All right, now let's book a table before everything gets full. Just say, I'd like to book a table for 2 at 7:30. That's simple, clear, and exactly what restaurants expect to hear. If they're busy, they might say, sorry, we're fully booked tonight. But if you're lucky, they'll say, we've got you down for 7:30. All right, reservation done. Now let's walk into the restaurant. When you walk in, don't just sit anywhere, wait to be seated. Okay? That's it, wait to be seated. There's usually a host or hostess who shows you your table.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, for 7:30, under Victoria.
Perfect. Right this way.
Once you're seated, take your time and look through the menu. We call that browsing, just looking casually before you decide. Sometimes there's also a separate drinks menu or a wine list. All right, now comes the fun part, ordering your food confidently.
Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
We're ready, thank you. To start, we'll share the bruschetta, please.
Of course, I'll add that for you. What would you like for the main?
For the main, I'll have the mushroom risotto, please. I'll go with the grilled chicken, please. You can also say, could I get the risotto? It sounds more polite. Could I also get a small side salad with that, please?
Of course, no problem at all.
Just to double check, does the risotto contain any nuts or allergens I should know about?
No, it doesn't, but I'll confirm with the kitchen to be absolutely sure.
Thank you. And we'll have 2 sparkling waters to start, please.
Still or sparkling?
Sparkling, please. A round usually means 1 drink for each person at the table.
Perfect. I'll bring your drinks shortly and get everything started.
Thank you. And that's how you order naturally without feeling stressed. All right, quick pause. Let's go over some key words you just heard. A starter or appetizer is a small dish you eat before the main course. The main or main course is the big dish, the center of your meal. And dessert comes at the end, something sweet, like cake or ice cream. Still water has no bubbles. Sparkling water has gas, it's fizzy. Allergens are ingredients that can cause reactions, like nuts, dairy, or gluten. If you have allergies, always ask before ordering. It's very important. So remember, starter, main course, dessert, and always check allergens. While you're waiting, just relax and enjoy the moment. No stress. Sometimes they bring complimentary bread. That just means it's free. If you need something, don't shout. Just make eye contact or raise your hand slightly. Excuse me, could we get another round of drinks, please?
Of course, I'll bring those right away. Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is everything to your satisfaction?
Yes, everything is great, thank you. When you're ready, just say, "Could we have the bill, please?" If you foot the bill, it means you pay for everyone. If you go Dutch, each person pays for their own meal. Could we split the bill, please?
Of course.
You can pay by card or cash, depending on the restaurant. Check if a service charge is included before tipping.
Yeah.
A tip, or gratuity, is a way to thank the staff for good service. If you have leftovers, you can ask for it to go. So now you've seen how a real restaurant conversation works. Next time you go out, use these phrases and speak with confidence. Subscribe for more real-life English, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching Talkie Today. Learning English the fun, easy way. Hit subscribe, don't miss